Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about definite integrals. So this topic is under Calculus 2. And this maths is intended for students who are majoring in mathematics and for the freshman engineering students. So I have here integral from 1 to 4. For my numerator, I have round brackets 1 minus y dy over square root of y. So first thing to do is I need to apply my simple algebra. So this will be from 1 to 4. So 1 over square root of y dy. And then minus integral from 1 to 4. This will be y dy over square root of y. Okay, so apply the index laws or laws of exponents. So this will be integral from 1 to 4. I need to raise up this one. So this will be y raised to negative 1/2 dy. Okay? Then minus this one also I will raise square root of y to for the numerator. So this will be 1 to 4. So I have y times y raised to negative 1/2 dy. Okay? So need to simplify for the second. So I have here integral from 1 to 4. This will be y negative 1/2 dy. And then for the next, integral from 1 to 4. Combine this one, 1 minus 1 over 2. So this will be y 1 raised to 1/2 dy. Because 1 minus 1 over 2, so this will be our LCD is 2, divide, this is 2, minus 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 1, so this will be 1 over 2. So I have here y raised to 1/2 dy. Then how to integrate this one? So this will be y plus 1, this will be 1 over 2 over 1 over 2. Because n plus 1 over n plus 1. How about this one? This one is 1 over 2 plus 1. Take note, 1 over 2 plus 1. This will be over 1. Then multiply. This is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 1 is 1. Then plus 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 1, that is 2. So I've got 3 over 2. So therefore, the second integral will be 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. Okay? So I need to erase this one because I have only limited space for my whiteboard. So this will be simplified by using algebra. So this will be y raised to 1/2. And then this will be 2. Because this is, I need to take the reciprocal for 1/2. That will be 2 over 1. Or that will be simply 2y raised to 1 over 2. How about the second one? This will be 2 over 3. Reciprocal of this, 3 over 2 is 2 over 3. Then y 3/2. And then the intervals from 1 to 4. Intervals from 1 to 4. Okay. So substitute 2, 4 raised to 1/2. Then minus 2 over 3, 4 raised to 3 over 2. Then minus, this will be 2 raised to 1 raised to 1/2 minus 2 over 3. Substitute 1, this will be 3 over 2. Okay, so this will be 2. 4 raised to 1/2 meaning that is square root of 4. So square root of 4 is 2. Then minus. So take note, 4 3/2 means 4 raised to 1 over 2 times 3. So what is 4 square root What is square root of 4? This is 2. And then cube. So this is 8. So therefore, this is 2 times 8. And then over 3. And how about this one? 2 square root of 1 is 1. Minus 2 over 3 square root of, no, square root of 1, because 1 raised to the 3 halves, meaning this will be square root of 1 times 3. So this will be 1. Square root of 1 is 1, and then raised to the third power is also equal to 1. Okay? So this will be multiplied by 1. Okay? So this is 4 minus 2 times 8 is 16 over 3. Minus 2 times 1 is 2. Then this will be minus 2/3. So I have 4 minus 16 over 3 minus 2 minus 2/3. Okay, so this will be, LCD will be 3. Take note, there is over 1 in here. So 3 divided by 1, that is 3, times 4, that is 12. So 3 divided by 3, that is 1, times 16, so this will be minus 16. Minus LCD also, I need to put 1 in here for my denominator and then take my LCD. That is 3. So 3 divided by 1 is 3. Times 2, 6. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Times 2, that is 2. Okay, so this will be 12 minus 16. 12 minus 16. Take note, unlike sign, so subtraction, 16 minus 12 is 4. Now the sign is negative. Why is it negative? Because 16 is greater than 12, where 16 is having a negative sign. So therefore, my answer is negative 4. So this will be negative 4 over 3. Then minus the operation. So what is 6 minus 2? That is 4 over 3. Okay, take note. Negative and negative. So it should be negative. Why? Because similar sign or the same sign, copy the sign. Okay? Common sign between the two is negative. And then you add this one, the exponent. And this is similar, right? So add. So this will be 8 over 3. Do not add this one because this is similar fraction. Just put one of them and then you do this one, negative 4, negative 4. So this will be negative 8 over 3. I think that's all for this topic.